What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you my experience, my best Craigslist experience that I ever got. Like literally, like I'm beyond shocked, and most of you guys are shocked too on my Instagram. That follow my Instagram, so you guys aren't following my Instagram, check it out. Also, if you guys have not bought a sticker, I'm sorry from advertising my stickers in like all my videos, but it helps the brother out, and hopefully we sell out soon. So yeah, I try to do like limited runs, like we'll have this and for like 50 of them, and that's it, won't come back ever again, but we'll see how that works. Okay, I don't even know how to even start this video because it's kind of a weird topic to or even it is becoming a stuttering machine. It just all became like, it literally just all came to me like out of nowhere. So let's just start off from the beginning. Okay, so everybody has this Instagram group chats that they're in, and I'm in one of them with good homies, the Just for Fun boys. We all share stuff like what we see, like posts like, oh dude, this is a good deal, this is a good deal. One of my friends in the post, Joey, he actually posted up a Craigslist thread which stated a 96 to 98 EK Mugen hatchback kit. Now, I was not sure if it was even real. Even Juan looked at it and we're just like, we're not even sure if that dude's offering a real one, because it's one of those Craigslist posts where it just has the catalog picture. It doesn't have any pictures of the actual thing that they're selling. So it was posted for $1,200. I looked at the thread, hopefully I can find a screenshot of it. I looked at it, I read it, he stated that it was real, it was located in Montebello, California. So I was like, you know what, it's a 2-hour drive. Let me try to hit this guy up. I just want to go check it out because I feel like it might be the real thing, but it was still a hit or miss. So as I was texting the guy, I asked him if he had any photos of the kit, and he sent me these pictures. So you have the wing, and of course just the grill, and a side of the rear and the front lip. Now it was really hard to determine if it was actually real, so I asked John, I'm like, hey dude, what do you think of these badges? Or how do you tell if the kit's real? And the badges, you can tell normally by the badges, but it's still hard because like I don't really look too much into Mugen parts. You know what, I'm gonna take a gamble. I asked the guy too if he had if they had stamps on it. He said he wasn't sure. They're like, damn, so it is or hit or miss. So I could drive up there, waste 2 hours of driving, or go up there, drive 2 hours, and come up with a full Mugen kit for $1,200, which is what I did. So I drove up there, I got to a random industrial area, and I was like, alright, this is weird. We're in a weird spot. Like I've never been here. Guy had the kit laid out on the ground, walked up to him, you know, greeted him. First thing I noticed was, of course, the lip. It had the badge on it. They don't really make, well they do, VIS makes replica lips, but this lip was real due to the badge and of course how it was made. I also saw the side skirts on the side and the rear lip. Those had the actual stamps inside. I ended up buying the whole kit for $1,200, and most of you guys would be like, why did you spend $1,200 on just fiberglass parts? Yeah, so you know, let me show you guys. It's hard talking to you guys like when you guys are on a tripod. So yeah, I ended up picking up a full authentic Mugen kit for my hatch for $1,200. Now let me rephrase that. $1,200. Only the actual people that are actually into like the Honda scene, like full on, like know about spoon parts and everything like that, will actually know that me paying $1,200 for a full Mugen kit for this hatch is dirt cheap. And that is one reason why I spent the $1,200 for the kit. Now keep in mind, I'll give you guys a brief rundown. The front lip on this kit goes for roughly $1,500 to $2,000 depending on condition. This is in an immaculate condition, just dirty as hell. The side skirts go for $1,000. The wing goes for $1,200. The grill, I have no idea yet. The rear lip, I have no idea yet because I have not seen a market for them yet. I have not seen them posted any like real lips for sale. And then it's probably like $4,000 plus profit off this whole kit, but I am not selling. I'm actually gonna be running it. So that's one reason why the JBL kit is getting sold. Besides the front bumper though, I can't let that go for some reason. But alright, enough of me talking. I'll show you guys what I picked up. So this is a Mugen front lip. This is a authentic one. You can normally tell by the badge. And dude, this thing fits up perfect. I used to have a replica VIS one long time ago, carbon fiber one on my track car, and it got busted. And this one just needs to get mounted up. But yeah, this is the front lip. I really want to get this front lip color match because it doesn't look that right with it. I think once I get a color match, it'll look way better. It does sit a bit low, but I don't think I'll scrape it even at my new height. I still haven't got my alignment yet because I still have some things I want to do to the suspension. I needed to install my extended ball joints. So I'm gonna be doing that probably in the next video and then get my alignments. So might as well do it now because I need an alignment anyways. And yeah, so I'm really digging the front lip. The front lip is one of the pieces I think a lot of people want mainly. So if I end up selling this kit, then the front lip of course is gonna be the first thing to go. I think like the one piece that I've grew like so attached to, or I've always wanted, is the wing, especially on an E-Kit hatch. Now, the wing is one of the sickest pieces I would say for the kits. And believe it or not, the brake light actually works. When my friend Naldo had the fake one, it didn't work on his car. But this one has an actual OEM style connector that plugs right into the factory one, so now I have a third brake light. And comparing this one, because Naldo's wing when he had it, it was super light. Like you could tell that it was replicated. It was super light. This one actually weighs a lot. Like I actually had to get my brother to tell me put it on the car because yeah, it weighs a bit. It's a lot more heavier. But yeah, so it's not in the best condition. It just scuffed up, that's it, but there's no cracks or nothing on it. This is fiberglass. Look at that. That thing looks so cool. I want to get that color matched also. And moving over, we do have the side skirts. Now the side skirts, they are raw. Oh, it has the piece too, I just don't have it in the video. It has that one piece that goes like this. But the side skirts, they're pretty much like in their raw form. You guys see that? The Mugen badge. That's how you can tell it's real too. And what I think happened though is this whole kit, I feel like they use it to make replica parts because there are random like fiberglass like stains on it. So I think they use this real kit to make fake ones. But luckily I have the fake ones. Oh, what the fuck, luckily I have the real ones. So can't complain about that. And of course the rear lip. I think this is one of the other pieces that are kind of hard to get to. It's like a valence. It's hard like to see what's rear, but attached to the bottom of your bumper. And I don't know if you can see that. The Mugen badge is right there. I have to get at the right angle because there's like overspray on it. But yeah, the Mugen badge is right here though. And I've personally never seen any of these like in person. Like actually, me and Juan were talking about the whole kit. We never seen it in person. Like we never held it. We never touched it. Like in person, like a real Mugen kit, which us having, or me having it now, he was actually able to see it, and yeah, it was cool experience to share with all the other homies. A full Mugen kit for my car, like that is unexpected. And grill. The badge alone gives it away, and yeah, they pretty cool piece too, but I'm not a fan of the grill, so that's gonna chill there. I'll probably put everything on and then show you guys, but right now all I have is just the front lip, which I'm gonna get color matched, and the wing of course get it color matched. And that is not for sale. Hella people have been asking me about that. That is going back on the car while this gets painted. Yeah, so went from I guess a full J-Blood kit slash C-West to a full Mugen kit, which is unexpected. And I forgot who I was talking with, but they were like, I would never spend that much money on a kit, like just because of his name and everything, or something like that. Or I'd just go eBay and buy like a couple lips. I'm like, I mean, I guess, but everybody builds a car differently. Like we think differently, we look at things differently. Everybody's not the same. Well, me and my homies, we're the same though. Just for fun, what's up? If you don't feel like you should buy it, then don't buy it. I bought it because, dude, it was dirt cheap. Now, 1,200 bucks. Okay, I see $1,200, $1,200. That is ridiculously cheap for a Mugen kit. Now, you guys can even try looking them up. There's one I think right now on sale on eBay. The front lip is they're asking like 2,900, which is a lot, but it's really mint. But someone will end up buying it. Like, there's always that person that will buy it. Just do what you feel like doing, and I do what I want to do with my car. And that is the motto of this channel. Don't listen to others, just keep building. Yeah, I just kind of want to explain this experience, or show you guys this experience, or show you guys like what I got. I just want to keep it in this one video because I mean, a full Mugen kit for my EK hatch, like that is crazy, dude. I have the lip, the wing, the grill, side and the rear lip. Now, oh my god, that is just crazy. Like, it still hasn't, well actually it has hit me, and I might get that paint and put on the car too. And before I end this video, I just want to give huge shout outs to Paul Kelly. He doesn't have an Instagram, so I cannot tag him, but I also have a PO box if you guys want to send me anything, but I'm not asking you guys. But he did offer to give me his coolant reservoir that he just had laying around, so let me open it real quick and show you guys. Super cool. I guess he got tired of seeing my coolant reservoir that I kind of delayed on or lagged on changing out, and I guess it's time to put a new one in. Oh, come on. Oh, nice. Package in another package. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. Okay, bro. I don't know if you did this on purpose. So there's a box. It's in a bag. It's in another bag. So, Paul, if you're watching this, well, most likely you are. Thank you, but if you did this on purpose, this is hilarious. Alright, hopefully there's not another one. No, we good. Alright, wow. This is really nice. I was not expecting this from you. Paul Kelly hooked it up with a Mishimoto coolant reservoir. This is perfect because it is black, and yeah, this is perfect. So I'm just run that hose to the back of the firewall, or I mean towards where I'm mounting this. This is the original bracket that they use, so I think what I'm gonna do is probably flip it around and then bend it back and bolt it up like that and just paint it again. But cannot wait to install this. That is it, guys. So if you guys haven't checked out the stickers yet, check them out, and don't listen to others, just keep building. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Most likely will probably be this ball joint, but not too sure.